Hello and welcome to Orin-X. In this video, we will talk about data science with Python, an overview of essential libraries and tools. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and subscribe to Orin-X. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell down below for more creative videos. Let's start with the basics. The first library that every data scientist should be familiar with is NumPy. NumPy is a library for scientific computing in Python and provides an array data structure that's optimized for mathematical operations. It's widely used in data science for numerical computations and data manipulation. Next up, we have Pandas. Pandas is a library that provides data structures and data analysis tools. It's ideal for cleaning and transforming data, and it integrates well with other libraries like NumPy. Pandas is widely used for data analysis, manipulation, and preparation. Matplotlib is another essential library for data science in Python. It provides a wide range of plotting and visualization tools that can help you explore and understand your data. Whether you're creating simple bar charts or complex multidimensional visualizations, Matplotlib has you covered. Finally, let's talk about scikit-learn. This library is a machine learning library for Python and provides a wide range of algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, and more. It also integrates well with other libraries like NumPy and Pandas, making it easy to use in a data science workflow. In conclusion, these are just a few of the essential libraries and tools that you need to know to get started with data science in Python. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced data scientist, these tools will help you achieve your goals and solve complex data problems. Thanks for joining us for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Orin-X for more creative videos on Python programming and data science.